Welcome. If you're looking to keep your location private while using Telegram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to prevent Telegram from accessing your location, ensuring your privacy is protected in 2025. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control all the permissions for your apps. On most devices, you'll find the settings icon right on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps, or it might be called App Management, depending on your device. This section lists every app installed on your phone, giving you control over their permissions and data usage. Now, look for Telegram in the list of apps. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you see Telegram, tap on it to open its app info page. Here, you'll see several options. Tap on Permissions. This is where you decide what information Telegram can access on your device, such as your contacts, camera, microphone, and, most importantly, your location. Find Location in the list of permissions, tap on it, and you'll see options like Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. To stop Telegram from accessing your location entirely, select Don't allow location access, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully blocked Telegram from accessing your location. This means features like People Nearby won't be able to pinpoint where you are, and your real-time location stays private. Taking control of your app permissions is a simple but powerful way to protect your privacy. If you ever want to use location-based features in Telegram again, you can always return to these settings and adjust them as needed. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and keep your digital life private.